2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 71 starting right now with this autonomous period. We see 51.99 and 72.30 on the blue lines. Synchrony placing 2 coral up on L4. As for the red alliance side, looks like all 3 robots have moved safely off the autonomous slide. A loud clap followed by a large crowd cheer. You know it's the mythic mechanics putting a coral up on L4. Your score of the autonomous is 9-37. Blue Alliance currently up, but red seeking to remedy. That's 52.85, seeking Robotics de-algifying the reef for the red alliance to put some coral in its place. As for the blue alliance side, looks like 72.30 doing what they do best. It's down, it's a clap, and it's a cheer. 51.99 doing the same, but for level 3 on the blue alliance. And 8.40, that's Aragon Robotics showing off that ground intake, putting a coral up on level 2. As for the red alliance side, 46.19. Ready for some coral in their robot. It slides down their funnel and their robot is transitioning it into its claw. 34.73, that's Team Sprocket. Takes a coral and puts it on level 2. Looks like a red robot has moved over to the blue side. That's 52.85, Seeking Robotics, playing some tough defense. Elevators currently bashing into that human player station. 51.99 doing some de-algification themselves and immediately putting a coral in its place. 72.30, once again, a clap and a cheer. It's Midnight Mechanics putting coral up on L4. Red Alliance robot 52.85, that's Seeking Robotics, helped by 34.73, that's Team Sprocket off of an algae they were stuck on. Speaking of which, 34.73 trying to line up for some reef scoring is blocked by an algae. 46.19, elevator up, arm is coming down and down on the L4 it goes. Looks like 72.30 has moved off of L4 because they've already finished it and are now playing defense on this Red Alliance team. With 40 seconds left to go, it is 61-119. Your Blue Alliance is currently up. 8.40, that's Aragon Robotics, once again showing us what that ground Indian can do. Picks up a coal and is ready to put it up on the blue reef. 51.99, executing on their own plan, putting coral into their robot and putting it up to level 2 and level 3. Sonar pings going off with 15 seconds left on the clock. It's 65-125. Your Blue Alliance is still currently up. Let's see what these robots can do with the cages set in front of them. 52.85, that's Seeking Robotics. They look like they're up on their red deep cage. 51.99 doing the same thing, but for Blue Alliance, 72.30 and 8.40 parking into the blue barge. And your results in just a moment. Score is up on the screen. It's going to be your Blue Alliance taking this qualification match, earning themselves a score of 146-89. The Blue Alliance takes 5 ranking points, with the Red Alliance taking 1. 51.99, that's the Robot Dolphins up in 4th place.